Types of extinguishers. Fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is a portable safety device used to control or put out small fires, especially in emergency situations, before they spread. Types of fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are classified based on the type of fire they can extinguish. Water extinguisher. A water extinguisher is one of the most common and simplest types of fire extinguishers. It uses water to cool the burning material, removing heat and stopping the fire. Suitable for Class A fires: wood, paper, cloth, rubber, plastics. How it works, step by step. Activation. When you press the handle, pressure is released. Discharge. Water comes out through the nozzle as a jet or spray. Heat absorption. Water absorbs heat from burning material. Temperature reduction. Fuel cools down below ignition temperature. Fire extinguishes. Without heat, combustion stops. Not suitable for electrical fires, Class E, risk of electric shock. Flammable liquids, Class B, spreads fire. Oil and fat fires, Class F, causes splashing and spreading. Foam extinguisher. Foam fire extinguisher is used to extinguish Class A and Class B fires. Class A, wood, paper, cloth, rubber. Class B, petrol, diesel, paint, oil, solvents. Working principle. Foam extinguisher works by smothering and cooling the fire. Foam forms a blanket layer over the burning liquid. This cuts off oxygen supply, prevents vapor from escaping. Water content in the foam cools the fuel, reduces temperature, prevents reignition. This action breaks the fire triangle by removing oxygen and heat. Foam extinguisher is suitable for fires involving petrol, diesel, paints. Identification. Color code, cream label/cream band, usually marked as AFFF, aqueous film forming foam. Important safety point. Do not use on live electrical fires unless the label specifically says it is tested for electrical use. For electrical fires, CO2 extinguisher is normally preferred. CO2, carbon dioxide, extinguisher. A CO2 fire extinguisher is used mainly for electrical fires and flammable liquid fires, Class B. Uses: electrical fires, computers, panels, wiring, motors. Flammable liquid fires, petrol, diesel, paint, solvents. Working principle. CO2 extinguisher works by smothering the fire. It extinguishes fire in two ways. 1. Removes oxygen. Fire needs oxygen to burn. CO2 gas displaces the oxygen around the flame. Cooling effect. When released, CO2 becomes extremely cold and helps reduce the temperature of the fire. Identification. Color code, black band, black label. Nozzle, horn-shaped nozzle. No residue. Leaves no powder or foam after use. Advantages. Safe for electrical equipment. No damage to electronics. Clean and residue-free, easy to use in offices and control rooms. Limitations. Do not use on wood, paper, cloth, cooking oil fires because the fire may reignite after gas disperses. Dry chemical powder, DCP, fire extinguisher. A dry chemical powder extinguisher is one of the most common and versatile fire extinguishers used in fire safety. Uses. It is mainly used for Class A, B, and C fires. Class A, wood, paper, cloth, plastic. Class B, petrol, diesel, paint, flammable liquids. Class C, electrical fires, gas fires. This is why it is often called an ABC extinguisher. Working principle. It works by smothering the fire, forms a layer over the burning surface, and cuts off oxygen. It works by smothering the fire, forms a layer over the burning surface, and cuts off oxygen. Breaking the chain reaction interrupts the chemical reaction of combustion. This quickly knocks down the flames. Identification. Red cylinder, blue band/blue label marked powder, hose and nozzle attached. Common uses. Used in offices, factories, electrical rooms. Important note: do not use for cooking oil fires. Use wet chemical instead. Wet chemical fire extinguisher. A wet chemical extinguisher is specially designed for Class F, Class K fires, which involve cooking oils and fats such as vegetable oil, ghee, and deep fat fryer oil. Uses: kitchen fires, hotels and restaurants, canteens, food processing areas. Color code. Usually cream/yellow label. Working principle. It works by cooling the fire and forming a soapy foam layer on the surface of burning oil. This process is called saponification. The foam layer cuts off oxygen supply, cools the hot oil, prevents reignition. How to use. Use the pass method. P. Pull the pin. A. Aim at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the handle. S. Sweep side to side. Important note: do not use water on cooking oil fires because it can spread the fire rapidly. Wet chemical extinguishers are the best choice for kitchen oil fires. Zion International Safety College, WCC, Nagercoil. Contact 90808 65511.